Hello and welcome back to my channel! Today I'm taking you to Kuwait City, the little gem in the Arabian Gulf that often flies under the radar. It's got a mix of sleek, modern vibes and deep-rooted traditions. If you need to get a visa on arrival at the airport, make sure to go to the visa issuance counter before you proceed to immigration. It's located near Gate 20. My host picked me up from the airport and he even brought me a flower. How sweet is that? Our first stop for today is the Sheikh Abdullah Al Salim Cultural Center. It's a world of knowledge and discovery all under one roof. This massive complex is one of the largest museums in the world, and honestly, it feels like you could spend days here. You've got 6 different museums to explore, covering everything from natural history and space to robotics and Islamic culture. One moment you're staring at a life-size dinosaur skeleton, and the next you're marveling at spaceships and aeroplanes. The architecture itself is worth the visit. The modern design of the buildings makes the whole experience feel extra special. Next, we're visiting the enormous Al Shahid Park. There's a beautiful mix of art, history, and nature here. Plus, it's super photogenic with its beautifully landscaped pathways, manicured gardens, fountains, and sculptures. Now it's time to do some shopping at a traditional market or souk. Visiting a souk is more than just about shopping, it's an experience. The stalls are packed with everything from colorful fabrics and jewelry to traditional perfumes and handmade trinkets. Bargaining is totally expected, so don't be shy, it's all part of the fun. Lucky for me, my host is helping me out with all the bargaining. He's also demonstrating true Arab hospitality by buying me a traditional perfume to bring home as a souvenir. To wrap up day 1, we're going to have dinner at a typical local restaurant. What is this? Oh, ginger? Pickles.
Salad.
Beetroot, right?
Salad.
Okay. With beetroot? Is it beetroot salad?
I don't know by English.
Okay. And this is chicken soup. I thought we were gonna share. At some restaurants in Kuwait, the way they serve tea can feel like a mini performance. The waiter might ask your name and then recite an impromptu poem just for you before serving the tea.
يلا حي يا ابو محمد السبل اللي من الكيف ريحولي من الدله ارب من اشقر يدوي راس بنجالي كيف لنا نحرقها بالنار زله قولي نقطع لي والراس صنعني هالي يا مرحبا فيك ابو محمد ترحب بطل الصاحب الغالي يلا حي يا ابو محمد حبتين فريد سويلي ارحب يلا حي يا ابو محمد تقاه ابو محمد انا بني حلو
شكرا.
انديا يوبي هذا فوق قريب نيبال ايوه خلاص
Day 2. Today I'm going to the Avenues, one of the largest malls in the world. Okay, thank you. The Avenues shopping mall is not just for shopping. You'll find amazing restaurants, entertainment, and even some unique themed sections that make you feel like you're walking through a European city or a traditional Arab souk. One day is far from enough to explore this mall. My host has just finished work, so he's joining me here for dinner. We're having rice with Zubaidi fish, which is a specialty in this region. This is followed by Arabic coffee. And last but not least, the iconic Kuwait Towers. These are not just a symbol of Kuwait, but also an amazing place to enjoy a 360-degree view of the city. The top floor is a rotating platform, so even if you stand in one spot, you'll still get to see 360-degree views eventually. My 2 days in Kuwait City have been such an exhilarating mix of history, culture, and modern vibes. Of course, there are a lot more things to see in this city, and I've barely scraped the surface. If you have more time, you can visit the other attractions such as the Grand Mosque, the beach, and the museums. If you're ever in the Gulf region, this city is definitely worth a visit. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next destination.